Hey guys, so I just discovered that we can use the O1 Mini and O1 Preview by using OpenRouter, because if you go directly on the website of OpenAI, the API is not available yet. Uh, you have to be a previous paid subscriber, so not everyone can access the API through the website of OpenAI, but I think you can by using OpenRouter. So I will just test it out. So for example, let's try O1 Mini, which was just released and is the one that I'm the most interested in. The price is the same as the one on OpenAI. Maybe let's try. Can we chat directly? Okay, we can. Hi there. How are you and who are you? So I have all the. Okay, so I want O1, provider O2, apply, apply, close. Okay, I can remove it and remove him. So I just want O1. So I will ask the same question. Okay, hello, I'm ChatGPT. Do you have any questions? Okay. Uh, in what model are you based on? Let's see what is his answer. Based on GPT-4. Okay, it's quite strange. uh, are you O1 Mini? I'm not familiar. What the fuck? I'm trying to use O1 Mini and it seems to be GPT-4o. Let's try another chat. New room. Let's delete it. Add a model. Let's try the preview one. Let's try. Uh, Hi. On what model are you based? Let's see the answer. Yeah, OpenRouter is telling me that it's O1 preview. What? Why is it answering that it is a GPT-4 model? I think it is not answering really fast because of the thinking methodology that OpenAI added. However, it's quite a simple question. Okay, AI. Okay, are you based on the O1 model? Okay, so it does not know what is the O1 model, and it says that it is based on GPT-4. And actually, the token per second is completely broken. Like 156,000 tokens per second. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Let's see on Google. Uh, O1 through OpenRouter. Uptime. Okay. Strange. I don't know if it's really O1. What the? Okay. Let's try something really difficult to see if it's him. I think I will take the mini one. uh, because the other one is really slow. So create me the Tetris game in Python without any external assets. Okay, so it kind of spawned the answer. Let's try. So pip install pygame. Okay. Now I will copy the code, quite a long code. And actually, by the answer, I think it's the real game. I think it's really O1 because I already tried on GPT-4o and it wasn't that good. So press any key. Okay, it's definitely O1. So it's really nice, guys, because we have access to the O1 model. So really great. Hope you like this video. If you find it helpful, please leave a like and comment. I read all your comments, and if it's something great, I will. You can recommend changes to these videos. So hope you the best, a really nice week. Goodbye.